All right, welcome everybody. We're looking at the feeder cattle futures. These are the January 2022 contracts. Today is November 18th, 2021. That would be /GF for this futures product. Okay, welcome ranchers and anybody else, speculators, traders. Welcome to the video. Welcome to my channel, okay? Today was a pretty big day. Okay, had a nice range, 3.2. Okay, even the live cattle futures, which I just got done doing a review on that, had a pretty decent day. But this is a nice little bounce. Okay, finally, we got something other than just riding along the 50 day, okay? It's got looking nice right there. Big, huge candlestick. Certainly bigger than what we've had for the last week and a half, right? So keep an eye on this. So far, through the month of November, has been pretty slow for price action, for the most part, at least for the last week and a half, 2 weeks. Okay, I'm just looking at some of these indicators down here. You know, this one, let's zoom in here a little bit. Let me see if I can zoom in and get away from that. There we go, it's a little bit better. Okay, bring this down just a touch. So, you know, I noticed right here was kind of a toppy signal here and here. Okay. But it did come down and touch the 50-day. And finally we got a good bounce. This candlestick right there today was a nice, good candlestick. You know, the MACD is traded above the zero line here. But we're just going to wait to see if this thing gets some serious legs above the 50, or going into tomorrow, are we going to just see, you know, some kind of candlestick like that doesn't really go any higher and just kind of trades with inside this candlestick, you know, kind of like a harami or something. You know, are we going to get one of these right here? Even though obviously this was all below the 50-day. Okay, a lot of times you get these big green candlesticks like this, and the next day you get something like that. Okay, so we'll see what happens tomorrow. We're certainly not at the bottom of these indicators. Like if we were over here, you know, then you would expect something to come, have a big price increase. But since we're sitting up here at the top, that's going to make us take a look at the weekly. So let's switch over to the weekly, and then we'll do the monthly, okay? Pretty strong week going on here. Just shy of 5 points worth of trading this week. I think there's still room to go here. Still room to go. MACD beginning to level off, may actually come up. That's a nice change. So on the weekly, guys and gals, I think there's room to go up here. We could see feeder cattle. I mean, look at this, 161. I talked about this a couple days ago, that I felt like there was still room to go. And sure enough, now we're up above 161 today. I think there's still more room to go here on the feeder cattle to the plus side. Let's take a look at the monthly chart. Yeah, nice healthy candlestick for the month of November. You know, we're past the halfway point of November. Okay. So, again, this looks promising. So does the MACD. Little bit disagreement with this indicator here, the Stochastic Momentum Index. Okay. So we'll keep an eye on that. The amplitude percent, I don't think it's a big concern. I think we're still okay here with that. Overall, I think the weekly and the monthly are both showing some strength. Let's switch over to the hourly and kind of get a fine tune. Look at that, guys and gals. Wow, what a nice day, huh? Look at this. Just pulled away from the 50 really well. Just be aware right now on the 50 hour, we're getting this very toppy situation going on with this indicator, accompanied by a red dot, which usually suggests there's going to be a pullback. Okay, and the SMI is showing it as well. You can see over here when we got kind of toppy here, you did get that 1 day with a red candlestick. So we'll have to, 1 hour, sorry. We have to see what happens at the opening tomorrow, or and just kind of in that session to see, is it going to push higher? You know, usually, if I had to guess, tomorrow will be kind of a price stalling day when you get a big move like this. Okay. get a big move like that, kind of like this. Okay. But just like you saw right here, it got above the 50 and pushed real hard, and then the next day it continued for a while. I'm just trying to see what was the amplitude percent here. Yeah, 1.99, and we're at 1.4. So there may be a little bit more in this than I expect on the hourly chart to potentially for it to stall, maybe come down a little bit. But I wouldn't allow that to concern you too much, because it looks like to me the weekly that there's still plenty of room above these prices, at least for now. Okay, guys and gals, take advantage of that membership, $5.95 a month. A lot of traders are taking advantage of it. Yes, they're educational videos only, just like this one is, but they're applying it to their own style, and they're literally getting years worth of subscription. I mean, as I said in other videos, you know, I'm not charging $100, $200, $300 for some instructional video, right? These are a really good deal at $5.95. I mean, one trade's paying for a year's worth of premium membership, okay? You don't have to worry about, can I afford the next month? That's why I made it really affordable, so if people can take videos like this, they can apply it to their own trading style. Okay, if I see there's going to be some type of huge breakout or something, or I think there's a really profitable trade, I definitely mention it in the videos. Okay, again, educational videos only. I don't give financial advice, but what traders are doing, I got quite a few traders now that have come on to the Discord server. So when you become a premium member, you get a link to the Discord server and you can join it. Okay, and you can communicate with other traders. And you know, we had some pretty good conversations today during the trading hour. So, okay, you can take advantage of that as well. Okay, so this is a really good price, guys. It's super low. I can't see how people wouldn't take advantage of $5.95. It's ridiculously affordable. Okay, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a thumbs up. Really appreciate that. Don't forget to click that little bell to be notified of all the videos I put them out. Talk to you all real soon again next time.